Hey there, I'm Patrick, and I'm one of the co-founders of Jetson. Now, Jetson is created to become the middle layer between your customer support and your product management and roadmap creation. So we created it out of a personal need. I myself run 4 Shopify apps, and I have thousands of customers with hundreds of emails being sent to me every week. And in particular, once I stepped out of that customer support role myself, I started to lose touch with what my customers were actually asking me to implement, asking me to fix. Now, Jetson will connect to your support ticket software like Help Scout or Zendesk or Intercom, and it reads the conversations that your customers are sending you as they come in, grabs all of the customer context, the conversation context, what your staff is replying to them about, and then we deduplicate, group them, and then summarize them and determine if they're bug reports or feature requests. Once there, as you can see on the bug report page here, we automatically prioritize them based off of urgency, number of reports, and some configurable parameters that you set when you onboard with Jetson. And here we can see that Jetson has created a whole bunch of bug reports based off of customer support conversations. We can sort them based off of the number of reports. Right off the bat, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one because this came in yesterday and Jetson marked as high priority. Here we can see this is, first off, part of a related trend of recipe creation failures. So this is for one of my Shopify apps, and the related trends just help you see a bird's eye view of the general trends and insights going on based off of your customer support. What we can see here is a great bug report template that Jetson has created based off of the customer support conversation coming in from Help Scout. So on the right-hand side here, we can actually see the customer information, and the customer voice section of the bug report shows the exact words that the customer is using to describe the bug report. Now, myself as founder, I would wake up in the morning and take a look at this, and rightfully so, this is something that I think my team should tackle and fix today. So what I would do is go ahead and click Create GitHub Issue. Otherwise, you can send this to Linear, to GitLab, etc. Now, what this will do is, of course, create a new GitHub issue with that same sort of template, the same information that you just saw in Jetson. And now this is ready for your developer team to work on in the next sprint. Or in my case, the workflow I have set up for my own apps is I have Claude Code that will automatically start working on the newly created Jetson bug reports. So this has really closed the loop between a customer reporting a bug and Claude Code or a developer implementing something, creating a PR, and me potentially merging that in a matter of minutes, as opposed to something like this potentially taking days or weeks, depending on the severity or how quick my customer support team actually notifies us, etc. So the real intent with Jetson here is to give you that bird's eye view of exactly what your customers are talking about and help you close the feedback loop between customer support and shipped product. Now, we've only scratched the surface of the real capabilities here, but I really think that this workflow for small teams, small tech teams, and small SaaS teams is going to be a game changer in helping you better create a roadmap based off of the true data that your customers are giving you and actually ship product updates quicker and in a more efficient manner based off of that customer feedback as well. So take a look. Let us know if you have any questions, and we're super excited for you to give it a try.